Right, hello everybody. Well done for completing the first day of the daily maths challenge. Now the challenge today was about an important property of the product. So the product is timesing two things together. So if we use a slightly easier example to learn how it works, let's take 4 times by 6. 4 times by 6. So that's equal to 24, right? That's in our 4 times tables, 24. Now, if I doubled, so I times one of the numbers by 2, I would have 8 times by 6. I've just times the 4 by 2 to get 8. Well, let's see how that affects our answer. Now I have 48, which is also 2 times 24. So the answer also doubles. However, if I wanted to keep the answer the same, so I have 24. Well, I've doubled one side, so I've got my 8. But I need to half the other one. So instead of timesing by 6, I'm timesing by 3. You can see we do get the same answer. We get the 24. So now we know about the product. So if I double one side, I need to half the other to keep the answer the same. So we need to go through our options. So I'll start with option A. So 24 times by 70. So we don't actually need to work that out. We don't need to do the long multiplication, but we do know because of the property of product here, in order to keep this answer the same, if I double one side, so that means I would have 48, I need to half the other, so I'll get 35. And that is what the first option gives. So we can go through some of the other options. So you see option B, for example, 24 times by 70. To keep this answer the same, I've doubled one side, so I get 48. I would have to half the other. But the option B just gives us times by 46. So this is actually going to be a little bit bigger than what we want, and we could check that doing a long multiplication.